what are some other cars that I find very cool? So, the Lamborghini Huracan, I appreciate. It's not a car that I necessarily covet. Would I say no to being given one? I'm sure everyone would be like, yeah, absolutely. Because the McLaren, heck, I like McLaren more than Lamborghini, so it just keeps, it's like an intrusive thought. The Lamborghini Huracan is a very cool modifying platform because there is a lot of power potential there. Everyone knows about the 1,000 horsepower Lamborghinis from underground racing, supercharging them with VF engineering, all that great stuff. So I would, for that, I would be, you know, the typical, like everyone else, like what you see all the time on YouTube, the 1,000 horsepower Lamborghini Huracans. I would do that, a 1,000 horsepower or more, like on road gas, road fuel, twin turbo Huracan. That would be what I would do, and it would be cool, very fast. It would probably be the fastest vehicle I own, unless if I go down the route that I originally intended to with the M3 E46, which is where I give it 500 to 600 wheel horsepower and make it super light, which could present possibilities for really fast accelerations, but I don't know. Depends on the tuning capabilities of the S65, because not a lot of people really modify that, I don't think. Is it VF Engineering that makes the supercharger kit for the Huracan? I think it is, because they also do it for the M3 and stuff, and Porsche 911s and other things like that. But I'm pretty sure they do it for the Lamborghini too. That was an interesting vehicle. Looked like the car from Half-Life 2. Like a roll cage car. Oh, there are people walking alongside the road. Where the heck did they come from? There's a couple of schoolgirls? I don't know. I was about to do a poll, and then I saw that guy standing there, and he was old, and I've had experiences with old people complaining about my driving, even when I wasn't really speeding. And this whole area is filled with old people, so it's a lot like driving with cops everywhere, because they're just as likely to bust you. Only difference is that they can't bust you. They still have to call the cops and remember what your car looked like and all that crap. You know, because this is a very family-heavy area, so I do have to also keep that in mind, and only have fun in certain areas, and not do it near driveways or houses, or, you know, like where a kid could run out into the road unexpectedly. I'm still not sure how I'm going to release these videos, whether it's going to be once a week or every day or every other day. I don't know. Because I don't know when I'm going to release them or how or anything like that. It's tricky. You got to your stop sign first. So, like, do I want to upload these close to around the same time as me recording them? I recorded, you know, another one earlier, like last week, but I haven't even started editing yet, so I don't know. I don't know what to do with the footage, when I should upload it, and how often. And the problem is that if I do it once a week, that's not very often compared to all the gaming stuff that you guys will be getting every week. It'll be like 4 gaming videos and 1 real-life car video. And the intention for this channel was to make it all about real-life stuff, or mostly about real-life stuff, mostly about cars. If every week is like 70 or 80% like gaming and only 1 video of cars, and it's the same thing every week, that's a little, it's not quite what I had in mind. So I'm trying to figure out how to get around that. So do I record a bunch of episodes and then upload them all at once, like 1 video a day, so that it's daily for a period of time while they're being uploaded? I record and then upload them before you guys run out of videos, if I can. Or do I do something else? Like, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. It's tricky. Is that an old Lancer? What is that? That's an old Lancer. Looks like a rally art. Might have been a rally art, because I definitely wasn't an Evo. Well, heck, I feel like I've been driving for long enough, so I'm gonna quickly go back to my little road and do one last launch, see if I can do a good 0 to 60 time, and we can do this to see how well I'm improving over time. You know, like we'll start with the 0 to 60s I did in this recording, and as I get better, we'll see if the times are better. But yeah, let's do that one more time, and I think that'll be it for today. Because also the SD card is very limited. I think it's only an 8 GB SD card. Ugh. So I definitely need to get a bigger SD card. I know that Pivot Head sells it, and I'm hoping that the one that they sell is going to be compatible, because I tried putting one of my 64 GB ones into this, and it wasn't enough. Or like, not that it was enough, it wasn't compatible. Like, it wouldn't record onto it. The glasses wouldn't turn on. It was very confused. Wait, no, I don't think it's a 64. I think they might have a 32. I'll have to check at some point. One day I'll get around to ordering it, but it's not high on my priority list, because as you can see, it's not urgent, because I'm able to make decent videos without it. But it's a peace of mind thing, knowing that the video won't randomly end in the middle of the recording because I ran out of space. The nice thing about these glasses that's better than my action cameras, that if I plug these into a power source, they never run out of charge. And that's kind of the same for the action camera, but it has still died on occasion. Either from overheating or maybe the battery, I'm not sure. Maybe the battery overheating, to be honest. Who knows? Ah, it's getting hot again. So we'll do one pull here and another one on our road. No one's coming. Oh wait, no, that's a person. I'm gonna stop. I'm not doing a pull with a person coming along the road. That would be irresponsible. I forgot to turn off traction control. Ah, damn it, traction control. Why you gotta be like that? There we go. Traction control is off and track mode is on. Okay. Oh, man, really? Freaking pickup truck. I don't like it when I have so many witnesses. As long as they're not actually following me, that's fine. That would be even weirder than just being reported for being a nuisance. I don't think I'm really being a nuisance, though. Like, I haven't inconvenienced this guy. The only problem is I do have a decent amount of paranoia, where if a person takes too many turns the same way as me, I do start to get a little kind of, yeah. But the thing is, I'm not following any particular route, so I'm not heading anywhere. I'm just turning because I feel like it. So hopefully this guy turns left instead of right. He's turning left. And that means I can stop and turn around. This is a very nice road, though. I like it. It's in good condition. There's nice turns. It's very good. I remember a long time ago there used to be a lot of skid marks along this road, because apparently a lot of people do burnouts here or something. There aren't any here now, so maybe it's because the road was repaved or something, but it was years ago, so I guess that might be why. So let's see. I don't want to do anything too close to anyone's houses. I can see a horse over there, but I don't want to be too close to the intersection to the point where I risk flying into the intersection and causing a T-bone wreck, either on someone else's car or on mine. Okay. Oh, what the heck is this person doing? Why are there... What was that? What was his deal? I wasn't gonna do a pull past a person that had their door open. Okay, I don't have a clue as to whether you guys can even hear me when I have my window open. But I keep opening it because it gets really hot in here. Let's do a turnaround. We'll do one more launch. Let's have it be a good one. All right, you guys ready? Traction control is off. That was definitely my best one. Did you guys, I don't think you guys could have heard it, but between, I think it was when I shifted from first to second, the exhaust crackled really nicely. Oh man, that was good. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Motor Madness. Woo! Stay crazy, everybody.